Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show you how I prepare this orange cake. Let's go to check the recipe. Okay, so to start we need to wash very well the orange or the lemon we will use, because with this recipe we can make orange cake or lemon cake. We just need to change one for another. So with the orange I will cut in 4 pieces, and then each one in 3 different pieces like this. Now I'm going to remove the seeds and the white parts, like this. Now I will put the eggs in the blender with the olive oil, and next I will put the sugar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. Next I will put the orange inside the blender. And now we will mix very good all these ingredients. We will beat all the ingredients very well. And now we will put in a bigger container. We add the flour and the yeast. We mix very well until we have something like this. And now I will put the butter in the container for the oven, so the cake doesn't stick. And I will put this mix inside the container. Okay, this is ready, and now if you want you can put some brown sugar on the top, so the cake it will be crispier. We take to the preheated oven 170 degrees, about 35-45 minutes until it's ready. Now let cool and remove from mold, and now I will show you how it's inside. It's really great and easy cake, orange cake. And now it's ready to eat and enjoy this delicious cake. So remember, if you liked this recipe, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. See you next video.